Right, so if you want to test any specific LLM on Linux, you make use of Ollama, right? So here you see this particular command we will copy and open terminal where we will paste this. And as you can see, if I run this particular command, it will set up Ollama. It will require my password, and then from there I can get it to download, right? So here you can see it is currently downloading it for MD64. So it detected our current version of Linux and it is downloading that particular setup. Now in the tab here, let me search for Ollama, right? So here you can see small LLM is one such model that we can set up. So I want to run this on command line, so I will just copy this Ollama run small LLM and it will run. Alternatively, I can also copy this particular at the end of the command. So we will run something like Ollama run and then we will copy one of these, right? So size, you can see 135M is capped at 92 MB, then 360M at 229, while 1.7B and the latest version capped at 991 MB. So you get to download and use that, right? So these are the smallest possible models we can install on the Ollama in any operating system, right? So it is taking a bit of time, so let me wait for a while, and once done you can see that it will show you the lack of NVIDIA GPU detection. So that part they will tell you that it will run on CPU mode only. I do have NVIDIA GPU, but that's on the host system, considering this is running through VMware, so I can't actually access it through Ollama. So the next option would be to basically run this command, which is Ollama run, and then I can pick on 360M here, right? So Ollama run and then small m 360M. So it will take like 229 MB or so. So again it will go through the list and start downloading. So I do have some decent speed, so that is one reason I got this downloaded fast. The earlier Ollama took longer because for some reason it took longer time to put everything here, right? But now once it has downloaded, it managed to even run this particular command for setting up the smaller. Is a lot faster right now. I think even for our simple usage, 360M is decent enough to run and train through the dataset. And once the setup is done, it should probably give us access to this particular model, right? And at that time we can even check for the list, right? If you want to check further on small LLM model, you can actually check their blog post and you can get an idea what are its capabilities, right? Now moving back to terminal, here you can see our download has finished. We'll set things up and return back to us, right? And right now it has given us the access as well. So we will ask the question, what model are you? What are your capabilities? It will be slow obviously, considering I am running this on CPU. So despite that, as you can see, I am inside a virtual machine and I have like only 8 GB of RAM given, yet it is fast enough. So when I ask what model are you, it returned with this. I ask for the capabilities. It can understand language, knowledge graph, and conversational capacity. Then there is also other things like integrate with other models and applications, and pretty much a chatbot like usage. So we managed to set Ollama on Ubuntu.